how to turn off app limit on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you tired of the app time limit on your iPhone? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn it off in just a few simple steps. So, first things first, open up your phone settings, scroll down, and then tap on screen time. Then there, under downtime, you'll see app limits. Tap on it, and all the app limits that you have set will appear here. Now, you can just toggle off the app limits, or if you only want to turn off certain app limits, then you can just go to the app limit that you want to delete and then tap on delete app limit, and then that's it. This is how you can turn off or delete your time app limit on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.